we're going to do is get our fabric. The length of fabric I have right here is 38 inches long, and we are going to plot our sleeve. We're going to be doing a long sleeve. So for my normal long sleeve, I'll be using 21 inches, just about here. I'm going to rule a line there. Then from there, I'm going to put the cap height measurement. I'm using 6 inches for my cap height. Then if you want to put your elbow length, and then this will be on the wrist. Now I'm going to go back to fold this into two. After folding this into two, we'll go ahead to draft the sleeve. The width here is a 9 inches around my bicep. I'll draft my basic normal sleeve. Okay, so from the cap height here, this 6 inches, you want to form your sleeve curve, the one that will go into the armhole. And then at the bottom, measure the wrist. So my wrist is about 9 inches divided by 2. That's 4.5 inches. So I'll just mark 5 inches there. Connect that point to the top. So this is what we'll be having now. Okay, now that we have done this, this is our basic sleeve. Now we are going to extend the cap height with the remaining fabric we have there, so all the way to the top. Instead of it stopping here, we want to increase the cap height to form this design. Let me tell you how much we have here. So the total increase is about 16 inches long. So from there, you want to connect it. So you can see, let me bolding the line I'm going to use, this one. So this is the line I'm going to use, right? I will cut this out. All right, so I'll just notch here up, and then we can create in pleats, depend on how you want the pleats to be on the right side. So if you want it facing down or up, depend on you. You can even also create notches so that the pleats are identical on both sides. Okay, now we can start matching it up. Okay, so here is what the cap is going to be here. Let's sew this up and then we'll sew this place and then use a basting stitch to secure around this pleat here. So this place will form the puff part, the cup part, and then this one will be sewn close. So let's quickly sew it and see how it looks like. All right, so here is what we're going to be having for the sleeve. We just tried out one sleeve only. You can then measure around this armhole circumference and check if it is the normal armhole circumference you need for your project. But this is what we'll now have. This is how you achieve this beautiful sleeve design. And of course, this sleeve can be put on a bustier top, so you will even be able to wear it off or on the shoulder. Let me know if this video was helpful, and if you are going to be applying this to any project. I would love to see your designs. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.